Today, smartphone cameras are one of the most important features on our phones. Finding the right software and the right accessory can help you take those smartphone cameras to the next level. The Zhiyun Q2 Smooth is definitely an accessory you'll need if you're taking lots of photos and lots of videos with your smartphone. In our review videos, we used to avoid using smartphone cameras, but now it's become even more convenient. With the gimbal, we can eliminate using all the different technology that we needed before. We used to have DSL mirrorless cameras, sliders and tripods, but now we just need one device with this camera. We generally used mirrorless or DSLR as a part of our filming system. For our shoots, we used all kinds of filming tools, tripods, gimbals, sliders. But now we're able to use our smartphones with the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. The Smooth Q2 is a 3-axis handheld gimbal that is compatible with most smartphones. Compared to its last generation, the Smooth Q, the Q2 is smaller and takes up less space in your backpack. This gimbal is the smallest phone gimbal with full stabilization that we've ever seen. The Smooth Q2 weighs only 404 grams and is made from metal, so the build quality is excellent compared to the plastic of the Q1. And the rubber handle leads to a comfortable experience when you need to hold it for a long time. For operation, the Smooth Q2 cuts down all the controls to 2 buttons and 1 joystick, which is pretty intuitive and convenient. To start your filming, it's pretty easy. Install the phone and make sure you set the balance of the phone correctly, and then press the switch button for 3 seconds, and then use the joystick to select a shooting mode that you like. That's it. The Smooth Q2 supports 360 degrees of rotation and has a 3-axis stabilization containing a tilt mirror, a roll mirror, and a pan motor. Upgraded from the 3 modes of the Q2 supports 5 shooting modes, including a pan follow mode, a full locking mode, a full follow mode, a point of view mode, and a dream mode. Let's see how it works with every mode. The Zhiyun Smooth Q2 has improved a lot on the Q1. It's got better materials, an improved rubber grip, and it makes filming just a whole lot easier than it with the Q1. The Q2 really takes care of any previous problems that the Q1 had. The body material, the weight, the operation, the phone grip, all of it is smoothly integrated now. Zhiyun has really worked hard to bring a final product that meets the customer's demand. It's easy to use, and it has professional stabilization that even professionals could use. No matter which mode we used, the gimbal keeps movements incredibly smooth and stabilized. Even when you move the gimbal all around, the picture will remain stabilized with default pan follow mode. In the point of view mode, it simulates a first-person perspective as a kind of special filming. It guarantees the fast reaction and smooth movement even when we have intensive panning or tilting. To switch from one mode to another, all you need to do is click the joystick and double-click for the last mode. Otherwise, the joystick enables filmmakers to adjust the camera angle or pan in any direction with any shooting mode. The Smooth Q2 supports a fast switch between selfie mode and the others. Just double-click the lower button, which is a pretty smart design for vloggers, to have the interactions with the camera easily and smoothly. The gimbal can be charged via USB Type-C, and the battery lasts over 12 hours. That means you can take this guy out into the outdoors, and you'll have no need to charge it, which gives you a peace of mind when you're doing outdoor filming. You can charge it with a USB charger or a power bank. Otherwise, it can also provide charging for your phone when filming. Overall, the Smooth Q2 has almost professional quality stabilization and smooth movement in any direction. There is no perceived vibration or shake when you're using it during the shooting. The Zhiyun brand is not only focusing on the hardware, but also on developing their own exclusive software. The ZY Play app expands the gimbal's capacity. Like using the latest app, it supports a tracking mode to automatically stay focused and to follow the movement of the target object. Zhiyun team claims that they are testing the latest app for the final compatibility with the Smooth Q2, and it will come soon. We are looking forward to seeing how the app can enhance the possibility of the Q2 gimbal. Cool, so in conclusion, we definitely think that the Q2 Smooth is worth its value. We haven't had a chance to check it with the action cameras yet, so if you do want to go that route, make sure that you buy the appropriate mount. Another thing to consider is the 1/4" threading on the bottom here, so you can stick this gimbal on top of a pole or on a tripod, and that helps you get a bunch of different angles. To conclude, definitely an excellent product. Helps amateurs overcome any hardware limitation by allowing you to take all different kinds of angles, and it's a definite buy. And yeah, go get one.